Hello students, today we are going to discuss some questions of inverse of a matrix and linear equation. So today's video is going to be very interesting because today we are going to discuss some important examples. Those are always comes in board classes. So it is very important that you have to look at here with full attention. Inverse of a matrix and linear equation. We are going to solve this exercise, inverse of a matrix and linear equation. Okay, so this is chapter. Now we are going to solve some examples. These examples are always comes in board classes, so it is very important. So what is the question and what is the example? Let's see. Cramer's rule. Solve the following equations. It is example. So what is the question? Question is 2x minus y plus z equal 3, and it is a x plus 3y minus 2z equal 11, and it is a 3x minus 2y plus 4z equal 1. 2x minus y plus z equal 3, x plus 3y minus 2z equal 11, 3x minus 2y plus 4z equal 1. So students, this is a rule, this is a question, and we have to find it by Cramer's rule. So it is not different question, this is a totally same, and you can solve it easily. But we have to remember that how can we solve that, nothing else. Okay, so by Cramer's rule, so what can we say? That we can say that it is delta equal to, look at here, write down here, delta equal to minus 1 1 1 3 minus 2 3 minus 2 4. It is delta. What about delta 1? Delta 1 means put value at there, so we can say that it is 3 11 1, it is a minus 1 1 3 minus 2 and minus 2 4. Look at here, it is a 3 11 1 and minus 1 1 3 minus 2 4. Okay, now delta 2. What is delta 2? Delta 2 is 2 2 3 1 1 11 minus 2 3, and it is a 1 and it is 4. What about delta 3? Delta 3 is 2 1 3 2 1 3 1 3 11 1 3 11 3 minus 2 and it is 4. So it is a delta 1 and delta 2. Now we have to solve all these values for find the value of xyz by Cramer's rule. So delta, we are going to solve delta. Delta is, it is plus minus plus, so 2, it is 12 minus 4 minus minus plus and negative sign is there, so 12 minus 4 and it is plus 1 and it is 4 minus plus, so it is 6, and it is a 1, so it is minus 2 minus 9, minus 2 minus 9, so it is a 2, it is 8 plus 1, it is a 10, it is a minus 2 minus 9 minus 11, so it is 16 plus 10 minus 11, so it is minus 1 of 16 means 15, so delta equal 15, so it is your value, this is a 15. Now delta 1, it is 3 and it is a 12 minus 4 plus 1, and it is 44 plus 2, and it is plus 1, and it is minus 22 minus 3. So we can say that delta equal 3, it is 8 plus 1, it is a 46 plus minus 25. So it is 24 plus 46 minus 25, it is minus 1, so we can say that it is 45, it is a delta. Okay students, it is a delta and it is a 45. Now delta 2, delta 2 equal to 44 minus plus 2, 44 minus 2 means plus 2, and minus 3, it is 4, it is a 4 minus 6 means plus 6, it is a 4 minus 6 means plus 6, and what about here, it is a 1, and it is a 1 minus 33. Okay, so it is 2, 46 minus 3, 10 minus 32. Okay, it is 92, it is minus 30 minus 32, so we can say that it is 92 minus 62, so it is 30, it is 30, so it is delta 2. Now we have get some values, it is a 45, 30. Now next one is now delta 3 equal to, it is a 3 minus 22, so it is 22 plus 3 minus 22, and it is plus 1, so minus minus plus, so it is plus 1, and it is 1 minus 33, 1 minus 33, and what about it is a 3, and it is a minus 2 and minus 9, so it is a 2, it is 25, and it is a plus, it is a minus 32, and it is 3, and it is minus 11, so it is a 50, and it is minus 32, and it is minus 33, so 50 minus 65, so we can say that minus 15. Okay students, so these are value delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Now what is the value of x? X is delta 1 upon delta, means delta 1, what is the value of delta 1? Delta 1, where is delta 1? Okay, so it is delta 1. Okay, so delta 1 is 45 upon 15, y equal delta 2 upon delta, it means delta 2 is 30 upon 15, and delta 3 means z equal delta 3 upon delta, so we can say that it is minus 15 upon 15. So students, it is 3, x equal 3, y equal 2 and z equal minus 1. So this is the value of z, x, y, z. So students, this is x equal 3, y equal 2 and z equal minus 1. So it is your answer. Matrix method, solve the following linear equation. Solve the following linear equation. Okay, so we have to solve now, apply matrix method. What is the matrix method? Okay, so what is the question? It is 4x minus 3y equal 3x minus 5y equal 7. 3x minus 5y equal 7, and we have to find the value. Okay, so this is a different question, and we have to think about the matrix method. In previous video we have discussed about the matrix method. What is the matrix method? Now when we are saying about, I explain again, Ax equal b, then x equal A inverse b is the matrix method. Okay, so remember, and A inverse equal adjoint of A upon determinant of A. It is, you know very well, and you know also this. Okay, so we are going to solve this. Okay, so what about here? It is a it means 4 minus 3 and minus 5. It is a, and x is x and y, and b is 3 and 7. Okay students, this clear? Now determinant of A, we are going to find determinant of A. It is 4 minus 3 minus 5, so we can say that it is minus 20 minus plus, it is a 9, so it is minus 11. Determinant of A, it is not 0. Okay, now it is a so inverse function exists. So we can find now inverse. So what about the cofactors? Now we are going to find cofactors. Cofactors are f11 means it is a minus 5, f12 means it is minus 3, f21 it means it is a 3, f22 it means it is a 4. So it is a cofactors. Now Fij means minus 5, minus 3 and 4. So adjoint of A equal minus 5, minus 3 and 4, and its transpose. So we can say that it is minus 5, minus 3 and 4. Okay students, this is the, you can check also. It is just opposite, minus 5 and 4, and it is opposite sign, it is minus 3 and 3. Okay, so this is adjoint of A. Now we have to find A inverse. A inverse means adjoint of A upon determinant of A. So we can say that it is a 1 upon minus 1 upon 11, and adjoint of A it is minus 5, 3, minus 3, 4. Look at here carefully. Okay, so this is equation. We have find -5, -3, -5, 3 and -3, 4, and it is your answer. Okay, so this is we have to solve now. If we have to solve this, we know very well that Ax equal B, it means x equal A inverse B. X means x and y, and A inverse means it is -1 upon 11 and -5, 3, -3, 4, and the value of B is 3 and 7. So it is -1 upon 11, it is -15, and it is 21, -15 and it is 21, and it is -9 plus 28. So we can say that it is -1 by 11, it is 6, and it is 19. Okay, so we can say that it is -6 by 11 and it is -19 by 11 students. So we can say that the value of x is -6 by 11 and the value of y is equal to -19 by 11. So students, this is your answer. Okay, so we have completed now this question. Now we are going to solve next question. So what is the next question? Equal to -3, 5, 3 to 4, it is 3 to -4, and it is 1, 1, -2, and then find A inverse. Then find A inverse and solve the following equations. And solve the following equations. So equations is 2 minus 3x, 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y plus 5z equal, it is 11, and it is 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y minus 4z equal -5, and it is x plus y, x plus y minus 2z equal -3. I again repeat, look at here, 2x minus 3y plus 5z equal 11, and 3x plus 2y minus 4z equal -5, and x plus y minus 2z equal -3. So students, this is question, and now we have to solve this by matrix method. Solve the following by matrix method. So we are going to solve it by following matrix method, because we have to find A inverse. Okay, so let's see. Firstly, A is given, so we are going to find determinant of A. So determinant of A is 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2, minus 4, and it is 1, 1, minus 2. So if we have to find the value, so we can say that it is a plus, minus, plus, so it is 2, and it is -2, -4, -4 plus 4, -4 plus 4, and it is a -3, means minus, minus, plus, so it is a -6, and it is -6 plus 4, so it is 2, and it is 0. So we can say that it is 0, and it is 3, and 5 is also 5, then it is 3 minus 2. So it is 0, and it is a 3, and it is -2 plus 5, and it is 1. So we can say that -6 plus 5, so it is -1. So students, determinant of A equal -1. Okay, now we are going to solve, we are going to find first value. So what is the first value? So it is minus 1. So we can say that it is not equal to 0. So inverse function is exists. A inverse means we have to find the cofactors of it. Means we have to find all the cofactors of it. So we are going to find f11 means it is f11 means it is minus 4 and minus 4 plus 4, so it is 0. f12 it means f12, so it means minus 6, it is minus 6 and it is minus 6 and it is plus 4, so it is minus 2. f13 it means 3 minus 2, it is 1. Look at here, it is a 1 plus 2, so we can say that we have to use negative sign before it, so we can say that it is plus. And it is a 1 plus 3, it is the same. Now f11, f12, f13 is completed. f21 means we have to find this value, so it is minus 6, minus plus, so it is 6 minus it is 5, 6 minus 5. So we can say that it is a 1, but it is, we have to use negative sign before it, so we can say that it is minus 1. It is a f21. Now f22 means it is a minus 4 and it is a minus 5, minus 4 minus 5, so it is minus 9. f23 means we are going to find this value, so it is 2 minus 3, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, so we can say that it is 5. Now f31 means it is a 12 and it is minus 10, so it is 2, but 3 plus 1 is there, so it's not a problem. Look at here again, 2 3, it is a 2 3 means it is a 4 minus 4 plus 6, 4 plus we have to find 2 3, it means we are going to find with this, so it is a 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is there, okay, but it is a position is negative, position of 2 3 is odd, so we have to use negative sign also. f31 it is a 2, f32 it means f32 means we have to find with this respect to 8, so it is this line is completed, it is a minus 8 and minus 15, minus 8 and minus 15, minus 8 and minus 15, so it is minus 23. f33 and we have to use negative sign, so we are using plus 23. f33 means it is minus 8 and plus 9, minus 8 we are going to find with respect to this, so we can say that it is 4, it is a 4 minus 4 plus 9. What about here f32? 8 minus 8 and minus 15. Okay, so it is f33 is 13. So these are some values. Look at here, the values are 0 to 1, minus 1, minus 9, minus 5, 2, 23 and it is 13. So it is the value of Fij, it means 0 to 1, minus 1, minus 9 minus 5 2 23 and it is 13. So adjoint of A, it means 0 1 0 2 1 minus 1 minus 9 minus 5 2 23 and 13. Adjoint of A. Now A inverse equal adjoint of A upon determinant of A. So we can say that it is minus 1 upon 1 and value of it is 0 minus 1 2 2 minus 9 23 and it is 1 minus 5 and 13. So this is A inverse, students. So A inverse is completed and we have to solve this by following equations. So now we are going to solve this. Okay, so what is the process? Now you can find it also very well. How? You have to just do solve Ax equal B. So x equal A inverse B. X means x, y, z, and A inverse means 1 upon minus 1 and it is 0 minus 1 2 2 minus 9 23 and it is 1 minus 5 and 13. So and it is the value B is from here 11 minus 5 and minus 3. So just do the multiplication. So it is x, y, z and this multiplied by this multiplied by this multiplied by this and this is this. So we can say that their values are, we can say that their values should be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so look at here, it is a minus 11 and it is minus 10 and it is, look at here, it is a 1, it's not a problem. Look at here, minus 11 and it is minus 10 and what about here, it is 0 and it is plus 5 and it is minus 6. So we can say that it is minus 1. So it is minus 1 and it is minus 1, so we can say that it is 1. Okay, so your answer is x, y, z. So x equal 1, y equal 2 and z equal 3. So students, by this way we can solve this type of questions. This is sufficient for today. We will meet in next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you. Take care.